required items are woolen and the crochet. I have two different sizes of crochet and the colored woolen. For now I am using the green color. Let's start. Okay, now take the crochet, take one side and keep it like this. From inside, take the crochet and turn it once. Keep this loop stiffly. You will get a hole here. From this you take the woolen. From inside you should take the crochet, take the woolen, take off from this loop. You will get the basic one. Here it goes like this. See it carefully. Like this. Now I am doing it faster. Like this. You have to take it. Okay, now this much is enough. See, this is the baseline. You will get a braid like this. See now, this is the baseline. This is necessary to do any design in the woolen. Now the first line is completed, right? Now I am going to show you how to go for this next line, that is second line. So, for going for the second line, here are the many loops, right? First, you have to leave 3 loops. Take one round, leave 3 loops and insert that crochet in the 4th loop. See, you will get out like this. Take the crochet woolen and take from the hole. See, now you will get a 3 loops on the crochet. Now and take another loop from the crochet and take out from the 3 loops. This is the first design I am showing you. From next design you can continue with the next loop. Here no need to leave the 3 loops and then do it. See, first take one round, insert in the next loop, take the woolen, take it out, you will get the 3 loops, take the woolen again and come out like this. Now next like this, again insert in the next loop, take it and then take it out. Now we have come to an end. See, now this design is completed. Now it's completed, right? We'll go for the next line. So as I told you earlier, for going for the next line, we need 3 loops, right? So we'll put the loops down. So now the 3 loops is ready. Now we'll go for the next design. Take one round, insert in the next loop, take out from here. You'll get 3 loops as earlier. Now at last we have taken from all 3. Now from 2 you take. Again 2. See, now the design becomes bigger. Again insert with this, take it out. You will get 3 loops from first 2 and again from the next 2. See, now we have come to an end. Design is completed. We'll go for the next line. So while going for the next line, you have to take again 3 extra loops. Again from next you have to insert from the next one. Now see, here also you got 3 loops, right? Now from 1, from both 2 and from both 2. So 1, 2 and 2 are the pairs. Now again take one loop, insert in the next one and take it out. You will get 3 right? From 1, from 2 loops and again from the 2 loops. Okay, we'll continue now. See, now we have come to an end stage. 1, 2 and 2. And here ends our 3 basic designs. First design, second. For your convenience and easy learning, I am showing you the different designs in different colors now. See it carefully. The first design which I have shown you. This is the very basic because only on this you can put any of the designs. You cannot put directly these 3 designs or any designs without this line. So this is very much needed for putting any design. The next I have shown you is the first design which will take off from the 3 loops together. If if we do this, this looks very small design. So the next is the second design. Here we'll take off the woolen from the 2 and next from the 2. This will be of the medium size, and the third will go for this. This is the very big size, because you'll take the woolen from the first loop and then from the 2 loops and with the remaining 2 loops. Show you the basic designs of the woolen in the easy steps. Hope you all understood. In the next video, we are going to show you easy patterns for knitting coats and shirts. Hope you are all waiting for my next video. I'll surely post that video in my next. If you really like the video, please give a big thumbs up and also share, comment and click on the bell icon, and don't forget to subscribe.